Pasta alla marinara, an old school recipe that's so good. It's most commonly in Verona, Italy, up north, in back in the 80s. Yep, so let's start. Here we got some bits and pieces of fish meat. You can use any other fish, like codfish, but ideally it has to be white fish, like lapulapu. So now let's start. Full recipe will be in the description below. Don't worry. Okay, now there's about 2 cloves of crushed garlic. Oil it up enough. We use vegetable oil. All right, we don't want this turning brown before the fish, so we gotta put the fish now. We'll make sure the fish gets fried good. This way, it doesn't, disintegrate or deteriorate once we have the sauce in. This has to hold its shape, so it has to be fried well. All right, now let it simmer for this like this with the oil. Yes, now it's time to mix it good. Make sure everything is oiled up, and of course all sides are getting cooked good. Yes, make sure everything is turning good and so it's fried well. So keeps so it holds its shape good even with the sauce later. Oh, it smells so good. You guys wish you guys could smell this. Garlic and fish, it's so good. All right, now here. Oh yeah, it's popping now. Okay, time for the. This is a skinned, but we use the blender for the tomatoes. 4 tomatoes. It's a bit bubbly because we use the blender real quick. We skin it, we take off the skin and then use the blender so it's all the tomato paste and half a cup of white wine, sparkling white wine. We're gonna use that to wash off the tray for the blender. Make sure all the tomatoes in it. There you go. Now we're not gonna put the cover. We're gonna let the alcohol evaporate from the white wine. You gotta use any white wine. The cheaper, the better. It gives a lot of good flavors towards the end. I keep mixing it. We wait until this boils. Then it will start to reduce the sauce. It's gonna thicken up. All right, now salt it up a bit. All right, some crushed black pepper. Oh, wish you guys can smell this. It smells so good. Gently mix it. Just make sure nothing is sticking at the bottom. Yes, you can replace the white wine with just half a cup of water, but the white wine just gives it a good flavor. At Vicky tried it. She said it needs a bit more salt, so she put a bit more. Yes, you can see it's starting to reduce slowly. So keep cooking it. Make sure all the alcohol is evaporated good. This is about 2 or 3 leaves of bay leaf, fresh bay leaf. We cut it into threes. Ate Vicky has a pot of, a plant of bay leaf, so a basil. Sorry, fresh basils, and then now it's the Italian seasoning, parsley flakes, and then dried oregano. Ate Vicky has a pot of, basil, so she just gets a few leaves for whenever we need it. So I told her just get 3. That's gonna be good. Now time for the pasta, because you can see the sauce is starting to reduce, so it's getting good, cooked good. Now you mix this well. It's that simple. Oh, and it smells so good. As you can see, that's the reason why we first had to fry the fish meat, so that it still has its shape. Because if we didn't fry it like this, we'll let it cook with the sauce. It'll just start to get disintegrate, to become small bits and pieces. We won't see it. Not really good. It takes like about less than a minute. Now here's like some parmesan. Oh, it's gonna be so good. As you can see, the sauce is starting to go away. It's starting to soak through the pasta. That's all done now. Look, it is so good. Just make sure it's all mixed good, so that the parmesan is everywhere. It's that simple. And it's just, it's fish. So it's kind of really, really healthy. So if you guys want to try this, it's like it's like guilt free. You can have a lot of this. It's still fish and healthy. It's just fish, tomatoes, and garlic. Oh, it's so simple yet so good. I'm really glad, we got to try this because, it's an 80s recipe. It's not really more common now. It's more like everyone wants to carbonara and all the good stuff. But this is just excellent. Look at that. You can see the fish meat. It's all chunky and good. We fried it well. Yes. So locally, you can try lapulapu or even tilapia. That's fine. So good. The bigger fish, the easier to get the meat out. So whatever fish you can get is big, so good. You click here for the vodka sauce, yeah, or the actually emperador sauce, and oh, this is so good at the plate, right? This made an excellent lunch for us. My mom loved it. Yep, you gotta try it. Yeah, and thanks for watching. Subscribe this week and check out all the other good stuff here. All right, yeah.